I'm actually Jewish. Free Palestinians all the way.
If they would just stop killing innocent people,
Yeah.
I would be okay.
Hello?
Hey yo,
Hi.
what's up, bro?
What's up? I have an important question.
Yeah,
Who do you stand for, Israel or Palestine?
Palestine,
And why that?
because they deserve better.
Where are you from?
I'm from New Zealand, bro.
Yeah, are you a Muslim?
No, I just think Palestine deserves better.
Hi. I have a question.
Yeah,
Who do you stand with, Palestine or Israel?
I don't think I know enough about this topic to choose a side, but maybe if you could have informed me, I could.
Yeah. Let me ask you, where are you at? Where are you from?
I'm from the US.
What if I told you, like, the Egyptian army will take Minnesota for Arabs or for Egyptian Muslims maybe to live in? Would you love that? We will evict people like from their homes. They will have to leave their homes so that we can take the land. Do you think it's okay?
If people are already living there, then no.
Yeah, and that's actually the answer to my question. And thank you so much. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
You
Thank
too.
you.
Hello? Hi, I have a question. Who do you support, Palestine or Israel?
Palestine.
Who do you support, Palestine or Israel?
Israel,
And why that?
because I love God.
Because you love God?
Yes.
So when you love God, you support the terrorism and you support the killing of children and women?
No, you idiot.
Hello?
Hello.
Who do you support, Israel or Palestine?
Who do you support?
Oh yeah, I want to know who you support first.
Yeah, but I want to know first who you support.
I asked the question first.
I asked it second.
all right, I'll tell you. Okay, I support Palestine, and what about you?
Hell yeah. Just making sure.
Yeah, so you support Palestine as well.
Yeah, well,
And why that?
because I don't believe Israel is a legitimate state.
And where are you from?
America.
Are you a Muslim?
No.
Israel or Palestine?
Palestine.
All right, and where are you from?
I'm from Arizona.
Arizona, in America, right?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello, hi.
Don't skip.
I won't skip. Where are you from?
I'm from Egypt.
You're from Egypt?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm from Egypt too.
الحق يابا.
Yeah.
أنت مصري؟
Yes.
أتكلم مصري.
أتكلم مصري.
Oh my
Hello.
God. I like looked over here.
Hi guys. I have an important question. A very quick one though, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, what do you support, Israel or Palestine?
Palestine.
And why that?
Why can't they have their freedom? Yeah.
You know more about this.
I'm actually Jewish. I think what these Israelis are doing are like complete. Like everyone's heard the story. Why am I getting into this? We're everyone since the beginning. Since I was a child, I was raised to believe that Palestine and Israel, or Palestinians, have taken over
Yeah.
Jerusalem and Israel and everywhere that is holy to Jews,
Yeah.
mainly, you know?
Yeah.
I was never really told, you know, the real reason. And then I'm finding out that my people are treating basically the same fucking group of people.
Yeah.
Like, we're only different in the matter of our nationalities, but we're the same people.
Yeah, that's really great. And where are you at, guys? Like, where are you from?
We're from the U.S.
You're from the U.S. And are you by any means like Muslims?
No.
Thank you so much for that. Actually, I'm making videos like for my Facebook page, and I just wanted to know your answer. I'm asking random people this question.
Oh, yeah.
And thank you so much for that.
No, free
Yeah,
Palestinians all the way.
yeah, this is great.
Thank you, I love you.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.
Bye.